Hello everyone. So we're going to start with question number 16, which says that we have been given, let's consider an AP from A1, A2, A3 and so goes on to A49, such that the sigma, which means the sum of all the equations in which given by A equal 4k plus 1 is the method, 4k plus 1 equals to 416. So we have been given A9 plus A43 equals to 66, and we have been given another thing, a1 square plus a2 square, another AP it is, a1 square plus a2 square plus dash 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 to up to a17 square equals to 140 into m. So it's equal to something 140 into m. So we have to find the value of the m. It's simple. We will first use standard methods to find the AP and simplify it. We have been given that a9 plus a43 equals to 66. Using the formula, we know that a9 equals to a plus 8d and a43 equals to a plus 42d equals to 66. 2a plus 50d equals to 66. And from first equation, we have that a plus 25d equals to 33. That means a26 equals to 23. Then sigma of k equals to 0. We know that a 4k plus 1 equals to 416. Therefore, for the another AP, a1 plus a5 plus a9 and so on up till a49 equals to 416. Therefore, for the another equation, 13a plus 312d equals to 416, from which we have another equation, a plus 24d equals to 23. So we can say a25 equals to 32. From both the equations, first and two, we will subtract a26 minus a25 equals to d, and we know, so we can find out that d equals to 1. Also, a plus 25 d equals to 33. That means d, we know that d is 1, so we're going to find a equals to 25 into 1 equals to 25. 33 minus 25, we will get a. So a equals to 8. We will apply it into another AP which was given to us, a square plus a1 square plus a2 square up till a17 square. So according to this, we know the value of a, that means 8, 9 and 10 progressively, both of the square will give us around 4900 minus 140. So that is equals to 34. So we have the answer m equals to 34. Answer number A. Thank you.